Super Science with Tina. This virtual enrichment has been brought to you by Center for Success. So today we're going to do tornado in a bottle. And this is a pretty simple experiment. You don't really need a whole lot of materials to do it. So I'm hoping you can do this at home and share your results with me. So we're going to go through our scientific method. We always do that, right? So first we ask a question, and then we form a hypothesis or an educated guess. So our question could be, how does tornadoes form? So as I have written in my handy dandy notebook, Blue's Clues, there's our question. How does a tornado form? And our hypothesis would be, I think tornadoes form when weather changes too quickly, or yours might be different. Then we gather our materials. A clean, recycled soda bottle filled up to almost all the way. It's about 75% full, or 3/4. 75% and 3/4 are equivalent. One is a percentage, one is a fraction. So there's a little math for you. You definitely need the cap, and you need to have clean, clear water, dish soap, and glitter is optional. So if you don't have glitter, you can still do this. It just makes it look a little cooler. And now we're going to conduct the experiment. So we're going to fill the bottle 75% full, or 3/4. And then we need our dish soap, just a little smidge, and then a little pinch of glitter. So let's conduct our experiment. So I took the soda bottle and I just put water, 75% or 3/4. Same thing. So hopefully you can see that well. And then we are following the directions of our conducting the experiment. And so we're going to add a very small amount of dish soap. Any dish soap should work. Okay. And then if you have it, put some glitter in there. It'll make it look really cool. But you don't need it to do the experiment, okay? So here we go with some glitter. Doesn't want to come out. There we go, glitter. Thank you, glitter. Ooh, pretty. Shiny. Okay. So then we're going to swirl the bottle around, and you can even turn it upside down. So you're going to swirl, 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 swirl. Whoopsie, swirling too much. You can even turn it upside down. And you should see your tornado. So let's see. Tornado. nice one. So we have our tornado, and the glitter did help exemplify the twisting. So we conducted our experiment. Now we're going to collect our data. After 5 seconds of swirling the bottle and turning it upside down, which really helped, I see the water begin to swirl around inside the bottle, forming a tornado. So now, number 6, so first let's go over this. Ask a question. How does a tornado form? Hypothesis. Make an educated guess. I think tornadoes form when weather changes too quickly. Gather materials. Clean recycled 2-liter bottle. Remove the label so you can see what's going on inside, of course. Clean clear water, dish soap, and glitter is optional. Then you're going to fill your recycled 2-liter soda bottle with clean water, 75% full, or what is the fraction for 75%? 3/4. 3/4, or 75% full. Add a small amount of dish soap. You just put a little squirt. And then sprinkle a little glitter if you have it. Swirl the bottle around in a counterclockwise motion. I also suggest turning it upside down. That really helped. Collect the data. And we said that after 5 seconds of swirling and turning it upside down, we saw our tornado form. Number 6 in our scientific method, analyze what happened and why. Either swirling the bottle around and turning it upside down causes the reaction between the soap and the water. And then we're going to go to our last part, which is report our results and share what you found. So spinning the water creates a vortex. Vortexes found in nature include tornadoes, hurricanes, and waterspouts. And a waterspout is a tornado that forms over the water. So, of course, I had to do a little extra research and take a closer look at tornadoes. So tornadoes form when warm air collides with cold air. So it's like a really hot, humid summer day, and then you hear that cold rain is coming in a storm. That is a good combination, the perfect combination to form a tornado. The cold coming in from the storm and the hot, warm air down below where we're hanging out. And then you want to take cover. Hurricanes form over water areas like oceans. The warm air off of the water rises and collides with the cooler air in the atmosphere. So pretty close to a tornado. But they're much bigger, much bigger, and they move over large expanses of areas. They really can affect a lot more than just one area. A tornado can be, depending on where it is on the Richter scale, can be pretty powerful, but hurricanes, they bring in the water off the ocean with them. So they are a lot bigger and more devastating, even though tornadoes can be quite devastating as well. So with a hurricane, this causes swirling rise of water, and the air picks up speed, causing a hurricane. Now, water spouts. I really wanted to know about this because I've never seen one. Water spouts form when a tornado forms in the clouds above the water. So it's kind of backwards. And the winds pick up due to the thunderstorms. The push and shove motion between the clouds and the water causes rotation on a vertical axis. So vertical is straight up and down, where horizontal is across. So when you think about looking at horizon, you are looking at straight across. And this would be vertical. Horizon, vertical. And I want to thank you for joining us today and sharing your time with Center for Success. We are so grateful to have this experience with you and for the opportunity to be a part of your life. It's great to share a new opportunity for learning and a new form of community with you. Thank you so much, and we'll see you real soon. And I'm bringing Cody back for the next one since there was a huge demand for a Cody appearance. He will be back for the next science experiment. Thank you so much.